What are you guys making?
Probably a dinosaur.
A dinosaur?
Yeah, a big dinosaur.
Is that like on Abby's Flying Fairy School?
No, a big one.
A big one?
Really giant one.
A really giant one?
Yeah.
What are you gonna make, Abes? Hmm?
I don't know.
You don't know? What are you gonna make?
Turtle.
A turtle? I thought you guys were making some food.
Okay.
Don't eat it, just pretend.
I need this.
Good girl. Is it so delicious? Cassie, don't dump it on the table. There's another bowl over here if you want to dump it in there.
Huh?
What's Mooster doing over there? Hi, Moo. Hi, Moo Moo. Hi.
One more in there. This one.
Moo Moo. Don't get in that chair. That's a nice hat, Cassie. Keep it warm?
Yeah.
Good idea.
This is it.
Ooh, excuse me.
I like to eat it. I like to eat it.